Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price update video, and in this video I will be sharing areas that Matic needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, give you my pullback target areas, and also what I'm expecting once the bull market is here. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above our significant area of support at around the $0.6227 mark. And as long as we continue holding above that, there are high chances that in the next coming hours we might see another push to the upper side and see a break above the $0.7 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. And jumping to the daily chart to first give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis and what I'm expecting once the bull market is here. You can see that back in 2020, Matic gave us these lows down here before we saw that massive push to an all-time high, giving us a high above the $2.9 mark. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that gave us a bit of a pullback into this red target area, which was the minimum target area for that wave 2 to the lower side. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we can see a reaction of these and start getting impulsive in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for that wave 3 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $5 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do before we can expect a wave 4, then continue getting even more impulsive in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the long term here on the Matic chart. And getting back to the 1-hour to the 4-hour chart to give you my pullback target areas in case we lose our significant area of support at around the $0.6227 mark. There are chances that we can continue seeing further breakdown once we lose that key area of support and get to the area at around the $0.55 mark. And the reason I'm saying that, you can see that after getting our low at around the $0.49 mark, Matic gave us this massive push to the upside, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that has now given us a high at around the $0.6873 mark. And this has been an impulsive move to the upside, and there are chances that in case we lose the $0.6227 mark, then a corrective structure will be playing out here on the charts, and the target areas for that corrective move can be given by connecting the fibs from the low at around the $0.493 mark to that high over there, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.6129 mark and the $0.5668 mark, which is an area within which we can expect to find support and get a reversal to the upper side in case such a movement plays out. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose this target area and lose the fib level 0.618, then we can expect further pullback, having our last line of defense at the fib level 0.78, and that is at around the $0.534 mark. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose the $0.534 mark, then expect further pullback on the charts in a more bearish scenario, giving us a reset of the lows that we made at around the 0.5 and the $0.493 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Matic chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.